What is going on, everybody? Chadwick.cervinski here. Welcome back to the channel. And today, let's take a look at what's going on with this Heliorc spring flight controller. So, just as recently as Friday, I was honestly kind of just ready to just put it to the side and let things just kind of sit and see what happens. Switched gears, worked on an Nano Goblin. INAB build all weekend, got that up and running, everything's working great. There's going to be some stuff out on that. But I've also been on the Slack channel and working with some people at Helio on there and testing out a couple things. And this is the result. This is so far. This is like 96-97% tuned on the reverb, same ship we've been flying. Everything is exactly the same. Running multi-shot. The only difference is this is running 32K overclocked, and it's running some other kind of magic stuff that may be out on Slack, may not be. I'm not 100% sure. But the gist of it is this is definitely the right direction. I was able to take pretty much all of the PIDs that I was used to with Butterflight, Betaflight, whatever, and throw them in here and start tweaking on those a little bit, along with some other values that they have. There's a couple even more sets of values that we're going to be able to play with to work on different things. So you're basically going to be not having to worry about tuning as much anymore with detuning and using the lower P's and D's and everything like we kind of were like a week ago. And now you're going to be able to stick with your Betaflight, Butterflight stuff and work those other values, which are like filtering values and things like that. And you can see the proofs in the pudding, man. You know, I have said it a million times, I'm not the best pilot, but this makes me look like much better of a pilot than I actually am, because a lot of situations where there would be prop wash, there's not. There is still a little bit of prop wash in some spots, that's for sure. You know, eventually maybe that'll all go away. I'll figure out how to do it. They'll reinvent a magic switch or something like that. I don't know. But until then, this is awesome. It's definitely something to play with. You can just kind of see me doing this last pack here tonight, just kind of testing things out again, just getting a feel for how everything is, and it's just pretty amazing just the amount of control that you have. You know, you can just see how I'm just kind of like stopping and going and looking around at things and looking at little gaps and trees and stuff, and I have precision control. And I can get more of that if I want to. The feeling, the control, it is all there. I mean, it is seriously there. So, I'm once again back on the high hope train here. I don't see no reason why this is not going to continue to evolve and work. These guys over there have been busting it out. So, I think when everybody gets their second batch of boards, when they get restocked, a lot of people are going to have a really, really good experience. Not that my experience has been horrible, but you know, I've had to fly a lot and work on a lot of things and kind of chase my tail back and forth in order to get to this point. And now the point is really, really, really damn good. So that's going to be it for now. Talk to you guys later. Enjoy the rest of the exploration and flight, and pre-order that Helio.